Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this cordless electric screwdriver, and HOTO was nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. So let's go ahead and pop this thing open. First thing we're going to do is give this a little twist, and that unlocks it, and right there we go. It gives us access to our screwdriver. Go ahead and pop this open. Here on the back side, you're going to have your USB-C connection, and it does come with a charging cable. It's kind of small, but it does include one. And then you're going to have three different settings on there, and these are torque settings, 1, 2, and 3. They are not speed settings. You're going to have a cover that comes on here whenever you first get it. Go ahead and take that off, and then you're going to have all your bits right here. Comes with a nice assortment of bits in here. Let's go ahead and grab us a Phillips head, and we'll put it in here. It is kind of magnetized, so it slides in there really nice and easy, and then easy to use. There's backwards, and there's forwards. And then, like I said, you have different torque settings. These are not speed settings. These are torque settings. Also does have a nice light that lights up here on the tip whenever you activate it. And that stays on for about 10 seconds, or you can twist it and it will turn it off automatically. As far as putting this all back up, go ahead and take your bit, slide it down inside of here. Put this right inside here, put your little cap back on there if you want to keep it, and then take this and re-secure it. Just line this up right here and then give it a twist and it will lock back into place. Make sure you don't misalign it like I did right there. Go ahead, put it in there, give it a twist, and boom, you are good to go. But yeah, overall, this thing, really cool. And yeah, I think if you want one, it would be great. Or if you want to buy one for a friend, family, something like that, it would make an amazing gift. Go ahead and check this one out from HOTO.